Welcome to QuizBrainKids, fun quizzes for all ages. Let's dive into an amazing quiz. Jump into the jungle of animal fun quiz time. Which reptile can survive being frozen solid and then thawing back to life? Answer is wood frog. Which animal is known to have fingerprints that look almost identical to humans? Answer is koala. Which animal can drink salt water and still stay hydrated? It's seagull. Which mammal can delay giving birth if conditions are not right? It's armadillo. Zebras have unique stripe patterns, just like human fingerprints. Which animal can see ultraviolet, UV light? It's Busby. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? It's crocodile. Which animal is known as the ghost of the mountains? It's snow leopard. Which sea animal is actually not a jellyfish but has deadly tentacles? Portuguese man-o-war. Which animal has a brain the same size as a peanut? It's ostrich. Lions rest for about 20 hours a day to conserve energy for hunting. Which animal can hold its breath underwater for the longest time? It's sperm whale. Which creature is the largest living reptile? It's saltwater crocodile.
Yay!
Which insect can survive being frozen in ice for years and then come back to life? It's Antarctic midge. Thanks for playing. Your animal expert signing off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. See you next time.